This is part 3 of a review of Powl Speedometer in Lancaster, PA. See the other shorts, part 1 and part 2. We pick up here. As for the repairs were approved by the owner prior to completion. The vehicle had sat for a long period of time and multiple issues requiring extensive diagnostics. For your information, and if you had looked at the full invoice and list of repairs, which I did, I have it right here. We replaced the instrument cluster, central locking module, updated software, and synced the cluster and module, replaced oil pressure switch and sender, coolant temp, sensor, battery, water outlet, and we had to remove the front seats to repair chewed wiring, changed oil and filter, and completed state inspection and emissions. If you are still in need of our services at any point in the future, we would be glad to assist you. And then my update to my review, after I saw that, I put in this update. What Powl says about me expecting them to drop everything is just not true. He is trying to paint me as a demanding customer. I asked politely when it would be convenient for someone to look at it. I didn't expect anyone to drop everything. I was not unhappy about coming in on Monday. I completely understood and was happy to come in whenever it was convenient, which is what I told the woman at the desk, who was very helpful. I opened up the instrument cluster yesterday and the knob was indeed left disconnected. There was no broken part, as Powl says. It was just left disconnected by his team. Also, there was a screw left out and almost falling out. It looked like it was worked on at quitting time on Friday and thrown together without finishing it properly. When I was working on it, I saw that there were 2 Powl stickers on it. I fixed it in about 10 minutes by just snapping the knob back in where it needed to be. Powell's was going to charge $450 just to diagnose it. I don't think anyone else was in that cluster since it was with them, because the 80-year-old man I bought it from didn't do work like that. We'll pause there. Stay tuned for the continuation of this and looking at the car for more clues.